left off last time by gluing the compression struts to the webbing. We'll be epoxying the top and bottom planks to the web of the cross beams and the compression struts here. Well, once the epoxy cured, we started work on the top plank of the cross beam. All three of the cross beams are different lengths. The center one's the longest. We trimmed the planks to fit and then dry fitted them with the clamps to see if they fit right. Now we're ready to epoxy the top plank. And the next scene is more gluing and clamping. There's a big glob of glue, yeah. Okay. Recommend you start buying clamps years before you're going to need them. Okay, the 3 Akas deck beams are glued together. We still got to go in and do a bigger fillet, or fillet rather, inside each one of them. And do a couple coats of epoxy. And these beams, they do weigh, I think, around 20 pounds. That's my guess. And they're probably pretty stiff. Haven't tried them out yet, but once again, like I said, I've got more fillets to put in them. Okay. Jeez. Okay. Well, you can't see that side of it, but in any case, I've been looking for the right tool to do the fillets, and so far I'm happy with this cake, what is it, a cake or pastry icing spatula. So in any case, it seems to do a fairly decent job. Yeah, I gotta get that yet. Yeah, scrape out the excess there, and I'll move. These spatulas are springy metal, and they've got a rounded edge down there that extends, which makes cleanup with a putty knife easier. This will give you an idea of how wide the catamaran is going to be when we're complete. Okay, this is the approximate width. The hulls have actually got to go out about another 3 inches, but the 3 beams will be this size. We still have to put some blocks underneath here, blocks here, and blocks to tie it off with where it's laced to the deck. But the 3 beams, and I'd said originally I thought they were around 20 pounds. They're well over 40. There will be a deck and trampoline on this space in between the hulls, so it will be solid. And like I said, there'll be some other blocks that go on there to level those up rather than just the little chunk of 2x4 there. Each beam's made up of anywhere from 23 to 27 different pieces. They're all different lengths. We ended up touching each piece on these beams about 17 times each.